Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's Sign. So this is your January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, okay? So let's see your messages and what's going on, Virgo. Two cards. Six of Swords, Ace of Swords and Knight of Pentacles. Five of Swords, the Magician and the World. Yeah, Ten of Swords under the deck. Maybe you are ending something with your person and you decided to move on. Yes, Virgo. For some, you still want rebirth in this connection. Yeah. For some, it is temporary ending. Because Ten of Swords, for some it is ending, for some it is still you want rebirth in this connection. Yeah, you are feeling like this. So Ten of Swords. Yeah, justice, maybe you cut someone off. Yeah, you're trying to move on from this person. Okay, from this relationship. So let's see your reading in recent past. Six of Swords, Ace of Swords and Knight of Pentacles. Maybe someone want to return. Maybe it could be your past person. Some communication is coming. I think they recently approached you. If not, they are going to be. Definitely someone is coming back because Knight of Pentacles in recent past. Six of Swords. I think you decided to move on from this person, but they are coming back. Some communication because Ace of Swords is there. Some truth came out in recent past. Yeah, if they are not approached you in near future, they will. And what's going right now? Five of Swords, the Magician and the World. Yeah, some cycles between you and your person are going to be ending. Five of Swords, definitely they did something wrong to you. There is some disturbances or misunderstandings between both of you. But right now what I'm seeing here, you are concentrating on your career more than the relationship, Virgo, because Eight of Pentacles with Ace of Pentacles. Definitely you are achieving your goals. You are achieving financial stability. A lot of abundance is coming in your way because in near future energy, Eight of Pentacles with Ace of Pentacles. Wow, see, you are dedicated to your work. Yeah, and you are working hard towards your goals. Eight of Pentacles with Ace of Pentacles. Long-term stability in finances is coming. For some, if you are waiting for your person to coming back, I think definitely they are coming back. I think in relationship also for some there is stability is coming. And Two of Swords energy, but you are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make if they come back. I think they are coming back, but you are at some crossroads because you decided to move on from this person for some. That's why you are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision have to make. Yeah, for some, you are manifesting your person back because you are in Magician energy right now. You are manifesting finances and everything in your life. So what you are wishing for is going to be manifest because the Magician energy is here. I think for some, you are moving on. For some, you're still waiting for your person to come back. Here, two groups. Okay, take what resonate and leave the rest. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth sign, or Capricorn, Virgo, earth sign. Okay. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Is there any separation or not? First we will see Virgo, your person current feelings. Communication. I think they want to offer stability. Yeah, definitely if you are waiting for stability, yeah, they want to offer stability to this connection. Maybe in past they are in and out of your life. There is no stability. But now your person want to offer stability to this connection. And Eight of Wands with Princess of Wands. Some message, communication. I think there will be lots of communication between you and your person in near future because Eight of Wands energy. They want to communicate with you. Yeah. They want to express their true feelings to you, Virgo. I am seeing a lot of communication between you and your person. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Virgo. Yeah, maybe you are in no contact situation right now. Under the deck, Three of Cups. If you are in separation, definitely they want reconciliation with you. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. So what I'm seeing here, Four of Swords, High Priestess, Ace of Swords. Right now, your person may be undergoing some healing process. Because they are not talking to you. Four of Swords energy, no contact situation, but they are thinking about you a lot, Virgo. Yeah. And High Priestess, this time they're listening to their inner voice, they're listening to intuition. And yeah, I think they are also in manifesting energy, because High Priestess is also manifesting. And Ace of Swords, yeah, communication, truth coming out. Yeah, they want to express their true feelings to you. Maybe your person in past having hard time to express their feelings, but now they want to communicate with you. I am seeing lots of communication. I think communication is the key here this time. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. They want communication with you, and lot of communication is coming. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future and outcome, Virgo. But right now you are concentrating on your career, what I'm seeing. You are achieving financial stability and abundance. Two cards. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Someone from past is coming back. Yeah, they won't give up on you. Maybe for some it could be two persons and Three of Wands under the deck. Yeah, waiting game is going between you and your person. Yeah, because they are also taking their time, because Four of Swords energy right now, your person not talking to you. They will back to you, but it is very slow moving energy. Yeah, because Knight of Pentacles is also slow moving energy. Yeah, I think they won't give up on you, because Seven of Wands energy, they want you back. So for some, maybe a new person is also coming. Very few, but I'm seeing it is past person. See, Ace of Cups. Sorry. Okay. But I'm not taking lot of cards. Ace of Cups. But definitely love is there between both of you. You both have so much love for each other. Nine of Pentacles. And yeah, I think you are working towards your goals already, I told you. And you are achieving financial stability, and you are no more dependent on anyone. You are very grounded, Virgo. Yeah. Because Nine of Pentacles energy you are in, you stand by your power. Okay. And the Lovers, definitely there is love between both of you. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. Yeah, they won't give up on you. Definitely they are coming back. This time they may be sincere also. Lots of communication is also coming in your way. Communication. Yeah, Five of Cups, maybe you are also sad for the separation, but you overcome this and you stand by your power. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Virgo. Let's see. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, you are also undergoing some Tower moment. Nine of Wands, Eight of Cups, Page of Pentacles. Maybe you walked away from this connection because there is no equal give and take. It could be your person also. Maybe if they walked away from you, but now they're feeling regret. Yeah, Page of Pentacles, communication. They keep tabs on you. And Eight of Cups. Definitely one person is walked away. I think you are guarded up right now. You are concentrating on your career and towards your goals. Yeah, you are also undergoing some Tower moment right now due to separation. I think you both are thinking about each other a lot. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ten of Swords, Queen of Cups, Two of Swords, Five of Wands. There is a lot of drama is going between you and your person right now, Virgo. Yeah, Two of Swords. Maybe your person at some crossroads in past, but now they got clarity because they have so much love for you. Queen of Cups, they have love for you. And Ten of Swords, they want rebirth in this connection. I think you also got same card. I think you both are feeling this way without each other. Yeah, you both could be soulmates also. Strong soulmate connection between both of you guys. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, strong air energy. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Communication is key. I already told you in this reading, communication is the key. So, if they approach you, if they call you, talk them with love, because you also suffering without them. So, communication is the key here. So, this is the message from universe. Virgo. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.